If you want to create PDF presentations, then you can utilize Adobe Bridge contact sheet to create PDF as well. So to do that, over here, I'm already in the contact sheet view in output mode, as you can see right here. And in order to create a PDF presentation, what I need to do is I need to go ahead and select out a template right here. So let's just go for maximum size so that it fills up the page right here. So you can go ahead, and here you can see that I already got 8 pictures. I can go ahead and add in other pictures over here as well as I like, or it can be any other PDF files as well. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and set this out into landscape mode right here, just like this. You can go around, change around the image quality according to how you want as well, and then it'll save out accordingly. So now what I want to actually do is turn it into presentation so that I can actually use this presentation, this PDF as a presentation file. So to do that, on the PDF properties section, I'm going to go around and choose open in full screen mode, and I'm going to choose automatically advance to the next space right here every 2 seconds, let's say, for example. So now you can also loop after last space, and over here you can choose a transition as well. So let me just go ahead and apply out, let's say, wipe right here, just like this, and the direction would be down and the speed would be fast, medium, or slow. So let's just go around and select fast. Let's say, for example, right here, I can also go around and utilize my arrow keys to actually move backward or forward. Now let me just go around and select these settings, and then I'm going to click on export to PDF. So now around over here in my desktop, I'm just going to go around and select, let's say, for example, slide export right here, just like this, and I'm going to go around and click on save. So now I actually generated out a contact sheet that acts as a PDF presentation. So you can see that it is extracting right here, and once that is extracted, what I can do is I can access it. So I saved it on my desktop right here, so you can see that this is what you have. So let me just go ahead and open it up with Adobe Acrobat right here. So now once I go ahead and do that, you can see that this is what you have right here. So the document is, now it says the document is trying to put Adobe Acrobat in full screen mode. So let's just go around and say yes. And you can see that I actually have this in full screen mode. And you can see that as 2 seconds go by, it actually goes ahead and adds in a transition right here. The swipe transition, as you can see. I can also utilize my arrow keys, my left and right arrow keys right here to swipe back and forth right here, as you can see quickly right here, and I can navigate around as well. So you can also go around and utilize PDF files as presentation slides right here, just like this, by exporting contact sheet as presentation slide through Adobe Bridge. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.